Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhar Srivasadi Gaura Bhaktavinda Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare. So first of all, humble, respectful Dandavat Pranam, lotus feet of Gopal Padmanitya Lila Vishnu Vishnu Vaya Astutra Srila Vaman Goswami Maharaj and Kalila Vishnu Vishnu Vaya Astutra Satasya Sriman Bhakti Vedanta Srila Vaman Goswami Maharaj and Chaitanya Shri offer my humble, respectful Dandavat Pranam, lotus feet of Nitya Lila Vishnu Vishnu Vaya Astutra Satasya Sriman Bhakti Vedanta Swami Maharaj, Srila Govinda Goswami Maharaj, Srila Bhakti Rakha Sridhar Goswami Bhakti Pramod Puri Goswami Maharaj, Bhakti Vikram Bharati Goswami Maharaj, and all senior devotees, and all Vaishnava Vishnuji and Pujantis, all of them. So now in Jagannath Puri is going to it is called Anavasarka. What is called? What is it? Anavasarka. Lord Jagannath, he is sick, so he is now taking rest. Okay? Because in Snan Jatra, that is called Lord Jagannath public bathing festival. They perform very nicely. And Lord Jagannath, because in India very hot, hottest month. And June and July, that is called hottest month. And so now Jagannath, he took rest. Why? Because Pujari, they also bathing to Thakurji, and about 2 and 3 hours with the very nice water from Kali and pond. And so now Thakurji, when Lord Jagannath is performing human being Leela, Naravattu, Lokavattu, Leela, Kaigala. So now Lord Jagannath is become very sick. And so how people are coming also. What is that? Snatching, no? Sneezing. Sneezing. Not this, not this. And also coffee. What is coffee? So Lord Jagannath, now he is taking rest. And 2 weeks he is not giving darshan. Understand? In Jagannath. Door completely closed. And inside Lord Jagannath is taking some treatment also. What is the treatment? He is not taking any delicious food. Just he is taking some khichdi. Khichdi, understand? What is the khichdi?
Rice and dal.
Rice and dal mixed
together.
And maybe little bit sabji inside. And he is taking this. And also Pujari gave him 1 kinds of herbs. And that is called, what is called? Kara. Kara, understand? No? What do you understand?
We know that it's an herb, but what kind of herb? What's the herb?
And Kara means this And when the water is boiling, they put some kinds of herbs. And what is that?
Tea.
Lavanga, ilachi, and put it.
Like a tea.
Tea. And giving this, and you are eating this. And so this types of lila, that's called human being lila. What is lila?
Human being.
Human being lila. Bhagavattu lila kaivalam. So actually that time Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu cannot tolerate separation from Krishna darshan, Govinda darshan. Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, that time he left Jagannath Puri to Haralnath. You have been Haralnath? You have been in India? Jagannath Puri? Who went Jagannath Puri? You? You didn't go? They come Jagannath Puri. Three dhams, you have to come. Vrindavan, Navadvip, and Jagannath. And they are very important. Because Jagannath Puri important because there is a Vipralamba Bhavi there. Gauraganda Goswami Maharaj explained. If you go Jagannath Puri, then you will see to Vipralamba Vigraha. Yesterday I told. Vipralamba. Without separation. Krishna Viraha Vidur Radha, or Radha Viraha Vidur Krishna. That means Krishna, he feels pang of separation from Srimati Radhika. That is Krishna Viraha Vidur Radha. Or Radha Viraha Vidur Krishna. And Srimati Radhika, she feels pang of separation from Krishna. That is called Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Because Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is thinking, I am Radha. Now my beloved Krishna, he left me. So day and night Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he was crying. Crying, especially in the areas of Gambhira. And it's the highest mood of Srimati Radhika. Radhika Bhav Gambhir. Gambhira means Gambhir Bhav. Gambhir means very deep separation. Radhika, so far this is Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami explained. Radhika Bhav Jaiche Uddhava Darsane Sai Mata Rahi Prabhu Ratri Din. When Uddhava he came in Braj and he saw Srimati Radhika transcendental magnet Dibba Unmadini Srimati Radhika. What is it? Dibba Unmadini Srimati Radhika. Actually, Srimati Radhika, she is called
Vrishabhananandini.
Vrishabhananandini Srimati Radhika. Her true expansion. One is called Samyogini Radha and is called
Yogini Radha.
Yogini Radha. Samyogini Radha, she came in Kurukshetra and met with Krishna. That is called Samyogini Radha. Understand? And that is called Kurukshetra Mila. Actually, that is the Ratha Yatra is coming this way. And Srimati Radhika she told. And Priyo Swayam Sajari Kurukshetra Milita. And Srimati Radhika she told her girlfriend, I am same Radha, or my beloved Krishna is same Krishna. And Priyo so ayam. But I am not happy. Both are meeting together in Kurukshetra. But I am not happy. Why? Because here Krishna's mood is different also. That's called Dargadis mood. Krishna is thinking, I am king of Dargadis Krishna. And his also dress also you are. Rajvesh understand? royal,
Kingly.
royal dress, very nice, beautiful, golden, and what is it called? Crown. Understand? You have golden crown or no? In Dargadish, the golden crown. And gorgeous, all dress, very nice, beautiful, gorgeous dress. No peacock feather and no
Flute.
flute. Gurudev told, Srimati Radhika and Gopis Brajvasi, they will be happy if they see Krishna's two things. What are the two things?
Peacock feather. Flute.
Peacock feather on his turban and flute. Understand? Once. But in Kurukshetra Dwarka Krishna, he has no peacock feather and no flute. So we don't have. And another things also, Krishna always in this mood. And I am Kshatriya. Kshatriya, understand? Yes, I am Kshatriya. And in Vrindavan, Krishna's mood, that is called Cowherd. And Gopavi is Venukar, Nagokisur, Notovar, Naralila, Hai Onurup. Like this form or not? Krishna jate khela sarvottam naralila narabapu tahara saru Gopavis Venukar Navakisur Natavar Naralila Hai Onurup. So Krishna jate khela sarvottam naralila narabapu tahara saru Gopavis Venukar Navakisur Natavar. Barha Pidam Narobabu Karna Kankaram Vibrata Vasukan Kosam Vijantamaram Randhan Veno Radarshya Purano Gopa Bindai Bindaram Sabadaramanam Pravisadagiri. This is Krishna's origin form. So Srimati Radhika she told, I am same Radha. And my beloved Krishna is same Krishna. Because according to the Tattva Darshan, Krishna is same or not? And Siddhanta Tattva Veda Suyopi Sisa Krishna Sarupayo. According to the conception of the scriptures, there are no different Krishna and Narayan. But more difference. Tattva Siddhanta. Vrindavan Krishna's mood is yours. Gopa mood. Gopa Ves also. Ves means is dress, form, and Gopa Ves. Venukar, and he keeps the flute, peacock feather. Very nice, beautiful his smiling face. And Trilanga Lalit, 3-band fold also. And in Dwarka Kurukshetra, Rajvesh, royal dress. Mood also, Kshatriya mood. And Kshatriya people always what? What is it called?
Fight.
Huh?
Fight.
Fighting mood.
Fighting.
He's saying fighting mood. And many people also coming, going, many kings, they are coming and giving respect to him. And many horses, many elephants, and golden chariot. And day and night also sound coming. What is sound? Gurr, 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 gurr. The horse of chariot making sound or not? Yeah, you know sound. In the morning, what? No car, nothing. Only peacock, peahen, cuckoo birds. But their devotees are saying this is called Turkey. Anyhow, yep. You also peacock or not?
Yes, there's some here.
Some. So this is Brajbhumi also. But Dwarkapuri or Kurukshetra, no peacock, no peahen, no cuckoo birds, no sin. No Jamuna Devi, especially no Jamuna river. So for this Srimati Radhika's Priyo Soyam Sajri Kurukshetra Jini. So my heart is not overjoyed. Have to go back in there. Go back to Vrindavan. So that you explain, that is called Srimati Radhika to expansion. One is called Sanjogini Radha, and is called Niyogini Radha. Sanjogini Radha, she met with Krishna in Kurukshetra. And another her expansion, that is called Niyogini Radha. And she felt frank separation from Krishna. And she was staying in Uddhav Kyari. And we are going that place. Radhikar bhav jaichi Uddhav darsane sei mata rahe Prabhu ratri dine. Kanudas Kaviraj Goswami says, the Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, when he was staying in Gambhira, that time this mode, and separation mode, crying. कहाँ मोर प्राणनाद मुरली बदन, कहाँ जाऊं कहाँ पाऊं ब्रजेंद्र नंदन, कहाँ जाऊं कहाँ पाऊं ब्रजेंद्र नंदन, कहाँ रे कोई दुख के जाने मोर दुख ब्रजेंद्र नंदन बिना आदि मोर को कृष्ण चंद्र को कृष्ण Chandra Kulana. Here is Krishna, who is the moon of Braj. Again, I will again his beautiful form. That's day and night crying. So saying the Radhikar. Separation. That is called Yogini Radha. Those are laughing, actually they are internally crying. Or those are externally crying, internally happy. Opposite way. Understand or not? How do you understand? Opposite way. যত দেখো বৈষ্ণবের ব্যবহার দুঃখ তাহাতে জানিও তুমি হৃদয়ে পরম আনন্দ. Externally who is crying, as internally heart overjoyed. This is the process. So for this regard, Bengali song, যত দেখো বৈষ্ণবের ব্যবহার দুঃখ তাহাতে জানিও তুমি অন্তরে হৃদয় পরম আনন্দ. Understand? This is the thing. What do you prefer? Laugh or cry? I'm confused. What do you prefer? Cry. Now she is crying. This is true. Cry for Krishna. In this material world, people they are crying for material things. Wealth, money, wife, children, cats, dog. Crying or not? Who is not crying? Everybody is crying. And even crying for his also many position, love, puja, pratishtha. Understand? If you lose your position, you will be crying or not, sir? This is true. But Shastra is saying you have to cry for Krishna. Krishna boli kando mago, dukkha dure jabe, dakile nimai bole, nimai harale. Mahaprabhu told, oh my mother, you cry for Krishna. This is Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu specified his mother, Sachi Devi. When Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu met with Sachi Devi in the house of Advaita Acharya Santipur. That time Sachi Mataji was crying and crying and crying. Gaur Leela, retreat. And that time Sachi Mataji told Nimai, you have to return back my home. Your young wife, Vishnu Priya Devi said, and if you not go, what will do? And I am old, Sachi Mataji said. And that time Nimai told, Nimai very humble, told my mother, listen. And I don't know why did I take sannyas. I don't know the meaning of sannyas. Something happened, so I took sannyas. Maybe I become crazy. So I took sannyas. If you order me, I will give up sannyas and again return back my home. But my mother didn't take. If I give up sannyas, then big problem will be. Everybody blame to you. Because sannyasam sirosi mama. Sannyas dharma is called there. Ice. Then Sachi Mataji told, no need to give up your sannyas. But you don't go Vrindavan. You stay in Jagannath Puri. Very nice katha is there. Matri Bhakta Siromani Sajanandan Gaur Hari. Then Nimai, he came in Jagannath Puri. This katha is there. And feeling the same separation mood of Srimati Radhika. Because Chaitanya Mahaprabhu thinking, I am Radha. This mood. And crying day and night, crying and crying. Kaha mor prananath, murali vadan, kaha jaun, kaha paun, Brajendra Nanda. After a long separation, now I am meeting with my beloved Krishna. When Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu arrived in Jagannath Puri, then he saw Jagannath, this beautiful form. Then Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is thinking, I am Radha, now after a long separation, now I am meeting with my beloved Krishna. This mood is that Sanskrit they say Sudibgra Vipralambha. Long separation. Then meeting with his beloved Krishna. This mood. Understand or not? Listen or not? So Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, I am going to embrace to Jagannath. Then Pujari stopped to him. Then Chaitanya Mahaprabhu fell down and fainted. Then Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya, same time Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya, he came. Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya, he was learned and scholar's person. He has vast of knowledge of the Shastra. When he saw Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's 8 ecstatic symptoms, Ashashatik Vikar, then he can be surprised. He is not an ordinary person. But Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya is not thinking he is same Krishna. All the ecstatic symptoms manifest in his heart. Dhumai Jalita Dipta Uddipta Suddipta Mahabhav. Mahabhav, different stages. What is it called? Remember. What do you say? You forget. Dhumait Jalit, Dipta, Uddipta and Sudipta Mahabharata. And Dhumaid means as like smoke. And one or two stasic mood manifest. That is called Dhumaid. Dhumaid means that is called Dhum means that is called smoke. Understand? Dhumaid. Then Jalit, 2 and 3 stasic mood manifest. That is called Jalit. Jalit means fire, flame coming. First smoke, then fire coming, and the flame of fire coming. Then after Dhumai Jalita Dipta, then flame go out, and then so much delight, what is called? And delightfulness comes. You may understand, if you put the fire in the circle, circle. Charcoal, understand? What do you call charcoal? The wood or the coal?
The coal, yeah, ember.
Ember. First is got they put fire, then first coming smoke, then flame coming up. Then after a few minutes, then flame disappear, gone. Then also that will be
Coal, ember. Coal.
and they're coming with the delightfulness and illuminated. Okay. So Dhumai Jalita, that is called Dipta. 3 or 4 stasic mood coming. Everything depends on the how many numbers of stasic mood coming. Romancha Kampasu Vaivarna. Dhumai Jalita, that is called Dipta. Dhumai Jalita Dipta. Then Suddipta, at a time, and 4 or 5, 5 to 6 minutes. And understand? These types of stasic mood manifest. That is called Dhumai Jalita Dipta. A Suddipta, at a time, all the stasic mood. 8. And Romancha Kampasu Vaivarna Stambha, and all things at a time manifest. That is called Suddipta Mahabharata. You understand? Not understand, no problem. Because this is a high level. And this Suddipta Mahabharata only manifested in the body of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and Srimati Radhika. Not third one. Understand? For this regard, and Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami explained. And Srimati Radhika, in her separation mood, she recited one verse. What is verse? I forget. What is the verse? Madhavendra Puripad, he recited. First Srimati Radhika, then Oi Dino Deadra Natha Mathura Natha Kada Avalokase. This verse first recited by Srimati Radhika. Then second, Madhavendra Puripad. Or third, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Chautha jan Kabhu nahi suni. Fourth person not possible. Understand? This thing. So saying Radhikar Bhag Jaiche Uddhav Darshane Sei Mata Hare Prabhu Ratri. So now coming Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya, he noticed. Then Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya, he becomes surprised. Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya is thinking, he is not an ordinary person. He told the Pujari, hey, don't touch his body. Then Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya, he brought to Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu in his place. This katha is there. Good. Then Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya gave him lesson and about Vedanta Sutra. This katha is just I explained. 7 days, Sarva Bhattacharya, he gave Vedanta Sutra all. And all the students of Sarva Bhattacharya, they told, Gurudev, what you are speaking, we can understand everything. Very nice. Sarva Bhattacharya asked Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Nimai, Naveen Sannyasi, what is your opinion? Do you understand what I am speaking about Vedanta Sutra? And I am giving all the commentary from Vedanta Sutra. And especially I am giving Vedanta Sutra's all commentary from Sankaracharya, Sankar Bhashya, Sarir Bhashya. Do you understand or not? And because I am giving 7 days, nice Hari Katha, commentary on Vedanta Sutra of Sankaracharya, Jagadguru Sankaracharya. But you are not giving any response. If you understand or not, if you understand, they will be happy. If you not understand, then you will be asked, this is the question or not? If you not understand, then you ask, I cannot understand what you are speaking. Please explain again. As like Parikshit Maharaj, he asked to Sukadeva Goswami Pad, and hey Brahman Gurudev, I can't understand this katha. You can also explain more. Sukadeva Parikshit Maharaj asked or not? The Krishna is the Supreme Personality of God, is saying Bhagavan. He comes in this material world to reestablish the Varnashram Dharma. Paradaro Vimarsanam Kim Abhipraya Jadupate. Or Krishna, he performed Ras dance with the gopis, those who are the wife of other gopis. So this is Paradaro Vimarsanam. Kim Abhipraya Jadupate. Parikshit Maharaj asked this question. Understand? The Krishna performed Ras dance with the gopis. Are the gopis, they are the wife of others Gopa. Krishna did not marry. Krishna performed Ras dance with the gopis. Dancing, singing, embracing, kissing. So what kinds of this Leela is going on? I can understand. Because you already told, Krishna, he comes in this material world to reestablish Varnashram Dharma and kill the demon and protect the sadhus. Paritrano sadhunam vinasacha duskritam dharma samsthapanartha sambhavami juge juge. This is word. But paradaro vimarsanam. So this is Varnan. How possible he established the Varnashram Dharma? He is not following the rules and regulations of Varnashram Dharma scriptures. So I can understand. So Parikshit Maharaj asked this question. Remember, I am saying, so for this regard, just I also explain this. Sarva Bhattacharya asked to Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, 7 days I am giving and Sankar on the commentary of Vedanta Sutra. This is Sankar Bhashya, Jagadguru Sankaracharya. And all my students, they completely understood. They understand. All the students say, yes, Gurudev, what we are speaking. And we are understanding. As like and water, liquid. Aha, very nice. Snapan. Sarva Bhattacharya asked to Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, do you understand or not? If you understand, then you will be happy. Smile comes. If you not understand, then you ask. Gurudev, I can understand. But I am not looking for any And any symptoms you are understanding or not? And that time Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told, what you are speaking, that is completely what? False. Wrong. But when you just recited this verse of Vedanta Sutra, then I am thinking the sun, blazing sun. And when you give the explanation about the Vedanta Sutra, then sun completely covered with the cloud. Then Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya become very angry. That means I am speaking all wrong. My explanation is not perfect. And this explanation is coming from Jagadguru Shankaracharya. Then Chaitanya Mahaprabhu explained. You are doing all the wrong. Cut this philosophy, Shankar Vasa cut. So then later Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu manifested his Sarvabhuj form. To Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya, then Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya completely surrendered to the feet of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Then he recited very nice top stuti to Lord Chaitanya. Vairagya Vidyan Yavakti Yogam Sikchartamegam. This slogan. So now coming this, just I also give an example this way. And Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he was staying in Gambhira and this mood. What mood? I am Radha. And now my beloved Krishna left. This is so saying the Radhikar Bhav Jaiche Uddhava Darshane. Sahi mata Prabhu Arhe Ratri Dine. Day and night Chaitanya Mahaprabhu feeling same separation mood of Srimati Radhika. That mood is called which mood? Viyogini Radha. And crying. But externally crying, internally what? So much happiness comes. So just I also explain this way. Jata dekha Vaishnaver Vyavahar Dukkha. Those who are pure devotee. And externally they are crying. But internally there's so much happiness comes. So just to establish this thing. So this mode coming. Now we'll go to his house. So fire sacrifice, then Harikatha little, and then Mahaprasad. Otherwise you will be angry. If you are not hungry, if you are hungry, then you will become angry. So, if I speak here 10 o'clock, no problem. My nature. If I start to speak, very difficult to stop. Without break. You understand? And one person, he was, what is it called? He's bicycle. No, bicycle, motorcycle. Motorcycle, and riding motorcycle, very high speed. Then in the middle, one police told him, hey, stop. Understand? And police told, hey, you have no, what is called, light. Little bit darkness, but you have no light. Stop. That time he's not stopping, he's going. Why not stopping? Then he came, I have no light, this is true. Also, I have no brake also. Understand? What do you understand? I have no light, also I have no brake. So police can say, it's also God. Don't stop, don't stay. You understand or not?
You have no breaks.
No breaks. Hari Katha, no breaks. Huh? You understand? Jai Jai Sri Ram. Okay, now going there. Sunnayate Mahagustam. That the Brajbhumi as like completely empty. As like cemetery and place. Where the dead body is burning. Completely dark and empty place. Sunnayati Mahagustam. Girindra Ajagarayati. Giriraj Govardhan is as like the mouth of snake python. Before he glorifies about Braj, glorified about Giriraj Govardhan. Understand? So many glorification about Giriraj Govardhan. Nijapati Bhuja Danda Chatram Bhavam Padman Padivata Madhista Devendra Garbham. This look. Atula Prithilasami Bhupa Priyang me Nijar Nikata Nivasanam Dehi Govardhanata. And now he is feeling separation. He is saying, Giriraj Govardhan is as like python. Sunnayate Mahagustam Girindra Ajagarayate. Radha Kunda is as like the mouth of tiger. Before he glorified about Radha Kunda. So many glorifications of Radha Kunda. And now he is feeling separation. And so this. Very nice katha is there. Separation mode. Actually, I am saying this, externally feeling separation. But internally what? So much meeting can. Viraha. So yesterday I told how much you feel viraha, and that types of meeting you can feel. You understand or not? So yesterday I told. And Purvarag, Man, Pravas and Premo Vajit. Are 4 types of meeting. And what is it called? Sankirna, Sankhipta, Sampurna and Samriddhaman meeting. Everything depends on this. So that means Chaitanya Mahaprabhu to us how we will feel separation from Krishna and Viraha. But who will feel Viraha separation? One who had knowledge of relationship, Samandagyan. We have no Samandagyan, no knowledge of relationship. How possible we will feel separation? Understand? This is the way. Purpremanandi. So you have to realize, develop and relationship. Samandagya. और समंद लैया भजे तारे कृष्ण नहीं तजे आर सब मरे अकारण. समंद ज्ञान understand? If you not samandha jnana, no feeling separation. Or no separation, and you will not release the making of again. Gaur Premanandi. Hello Radhe Radhe Radhe, Jai 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 Shri Radhe Radhe Radhe. राधा रानी की जय, महारानी की जय राधा. हेलो जय राधा रानी, जय ब्रजबाला, जय राधा. जय श्याम सुंदर, जय नंदलाला. राधे राधे, जय 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 श्री राधे. ओ राधे राधे राधे, जय 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 श्री राधे. देखो ने मेरो श्याम देखो, कौन मेरो श्याम देखो, कौन मेरो श्याम देखो, कौन मेरो श्याम देखो। राधा तेरे श्याम हमने वृंदावन में देखो, राधा तेरे फूले शराबत भयो, कौन मेरो श्याम देखो, फूले शराबत भयो। ओ फूले शराबत भयो, कौन मेरो श्याम देखो, फूले शराबत भयो। ओ राधा तेरे श्याम हमने वृंदावन में देखो, राधा तेरे श्याम हमने, ओ राधा तेरे श्याम हमने गोकुल में देखो, राधा तेरे श्याम हमने। ओ पन्ना में झूलावतो भयो, कौन मेरो श्याम देखो, पन्ना में झूलावतो भयो, कौन मेरो श्याम देखो, कौन मेरो श्याम देखो, कौन मेरो श्याम देखो। ओ राधा तेरे श्याम हमने गोवर्धन में देखो, राधा तेरे श्याम हमने, ओ राधा तेरे श्याम हमने गोवर्धन में देखो, राधा तेरे। ओ परिवार उठावतो भयो, कौन मेरो श्याम देखो, परिवार उठावतो भयो। ओ कौन मेरो श्याम देखो, कौन मेरो श्याम देखो। ओ राधा तेरे श्याम हमने जमुना तट पर देखो, राधा तेरे श्याम हमने। ओ बंसी बजावतो भयो, कौन मेरो श्याम देखो, ओ राधा तेरे श्याम हमने वृंदावन में देखो, राधा तेरे श्याम हमने वृंदावन। ओ रास रक्षा पतो भयो, कौन मेरो श्याम देखो, रास रक्षा पतो भयो, कौन मेरो श्याम देखो। ओ कौन मेरो श्याम देखो, कौन मेरो श्याम देखो। ओ कौन मेरो श्याम देखो, कौन मेरो श्याम देखो। ओ राधा तेरे श्याम हमने वृंदावन में देखो, राधा तेरे श्याम हमने। ओ बंसी बजावतो भयो, कौन मेरो श्याम देखो, ओ बंसी बजावतो भयो, कौन मेरो श्याम देखो। ओ राधा तेरे श्याम हमने राधा कुंड पर देखो, राधा तेरे श्याम राधा कुंड। ओ बंसी बजावतो भयो, कौन मेरो श्याम देखो, ओ बंसी बजावतो भयो। बोलो राधे राधे जय जय राधे 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 जय जय राधे। जय राधे जय कृष्ण, जय राधे जय कृष्ण। जय राधे जय कृष्ण, जय राधे जय कृष्ण, जय राधे जय जय राधे जय कृष्ण, जय राधे जय कृष्ण। बोलो वृंदावन बिहारी राम, जय 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 श्री राम। Guru Premanandi. Now we to go. Huh? We go there. Okay, chalo.
भक्ति वेदांत भगवान महाराज की जय, अधिकारानंद की जय।